Hello, students. I am a math teacher and I am teaching since many years. So, what I found is math is one of the subject where students have always doubt on this that why we are studying this hard subject. So many confusion I have in this subject. So, why this subject is there? Why we can't eliminate this subject? Why we can't remove this subject from our syllabus? So, let's think on this today deeply. I'm not going to give you any bookish answer. We will not do any debate here. We are just here to discuss, to understand why we have maths. First, let's think in this way. Why we are human? What makes us different from the animals today in this world? So many species are there, but who is ruling over the world? Out of million of species, more powerful species like lion, elephant, crocodile, who is ruling this world? Human being. And why we are able to rule the world? Because of only one ability we have that is different from animals, our thinking capacity. Thinking capacity makes us different, makes us unique from the animals. Animals can't think much deeper, much beyond out of box creative thinkings. Animals can't do. That's why animals struggle more than human being biologically. So what we have to understand here is thinking is making us different from the animals. And now come to the thinking part. How our thinking becomes deeper. There are two types of thinking. One which upgrade you, one which degrade you. So the thinking which upgrade you requires deeper thinking. And another kind of thinking which degrade you, there you don't need much thinking. Just superficial thinking at the surface level is enough for it. You can think in this, and you can imagine when you gossip with your friends. If you do unnecessary gossips, if you are talking about unnecessary topics, there not much mind is required, not much thinking capacity is required. Any dull student can also answer that. But if some riddles are there, some creative questions are there, so it requires time, it requires space, means silence to think on it, and then you can able to answer that. So how that thinking can be developed? That thinking can be developed with more and more work on the brain. There is work by the brain and work on the brain. I am talking about work on the brain. So how we can work on our brain? We can work on our brain by doing practice. Practice to be with a question, with a problem. And where you will find problem? In your day to day life, everywhere around you, there are so many problems which you can solve from your thinking capacity. And that maths do in a better way. Like maths creates one imaginary problem and then it present in front of you and you have to think on it to solve it. So from this, what is happening? Your thinking capacity is enhancing. Because of that thinking, you can able to think much deeper now. Because when you solve one question, your thinking capacity increases with each question, and your thinking capacity enhance. So your thinking ability enhance, and because of your thinking ability, you become more intelligent human being now. So you creates difference with each question. With each question your thinking ability gets deeper and deeper and deeper. So more complex kind of sum you will solve, more deeper your thinking will be. Now here the most important part is you can't go to directly the hardest question at a time. It has been scientifically proved, and it is the fact that you have to start from the basic first. Your basics should be clear, then you can go to next level, then to next, then to next, and then to next, and then finally to highest. There is nothing called highest, by the way, in maths. We can keep on increasing our level, more and more complex kind of sums we can solve. And this is the beauty in maths, that there is no upper limit. So we should know where to stop to. So this is also the point in maths. Now the points come from where to start. So you start from your own level, because for each and every student levels are different. We can't say that my friend is in level 2, so I am also in level 2. No, maybe you are more deeper thinker than him or her. So see which kind of questions you are weak in, hold that question for some time, think it as real life problem, and try to solve it. If you don't know to solve, ask to your teacher. You can ask me in comment section. I will surely try to solve for you in a better way. I will give you suggestion how to do it in the comment section or in the next video format. So you can ask, challenge your mind, be a good intelligent human being, because we need intelligent human being in this world. You can see the condition of the world where we are going. So we really need intelligent human being like you. So understand your potential and work on it, dear student. Thank you. Bye bye.